وهيك خلصنا من كالجاري. ضياء ضياء رايحين. ضياء باي علاء. ثانك يو علاء، ثانك يو ضياء حبايب قلبي. So guys, now I'm in the airport. I did the check-in online. So guys, I'm done here. Check-in, security check and everything. And I'm on my way to the waiting area, to the plane, and to Vancouver. Hey guys, look at this view from above.
Next level.
But now I'm going out. So guys, I took my backpack. I'm just waiting for Omar now. So now we're officially in Vancouver with the guys. هاي فيروز في فانكوفر في بيت العم عمر من غزة. This is the view from Omar's house. Omar's apartment, actually. And here's Kenzie. Hi Kenzie. It's Omar's dog. So now we're gonna eat something and do something after that. بتكون قاعد بأمان الله، بيجوا هذول الكرود يزعجوك، هارب من الدوشة. طلع جاء دوشة، طلع طلع أولاد الكلب. انزل يا ابن الكلب، انزل انزل. Say bye. Say hi.
There's a log pipe.
Yeah, I'm telling him, go to that tree. It's better there. Man,
This is Vancouver.
Vancouver is another level. It's another level. لما ماشيين من 48 ومن غزة بهالعمارات، ايش بدكم يصير يعني؟
ضرب صواريخ.
Yeah. Oh.
Some kind of relay dance.
أهل غزة يلبون نداء الطبيعة. الطبيعة تناديهم. So we're gonna do sort of kayaking here. I will show you when we're there. It's gonna be lots of fun here, but we're just waiting for a group of friends who's coming here. So now we're going to
Paddleboard.
Paddleboard. And here is just introduce yourself.
Kate?
Here's Kate and oh hi Omar and Mo is here. So we're ready to go and have fun there. And after that we're enjoying the ocean. We're done.
And we're
And
all wet.
We're all wet. My even my boxer is wet now.
My calzone.
Yeah. So now we're going to the bus, or I don't know where we're gonna go now, but we're gonna have to do something. Let's go.
Hey, dude. What a shot. Guys, $10 for each minute. Like seriously, I gotta make some money here.
Look at this cute bunny. Bunny. What? Wow! So guys, now we're eating with this view. What do you think, Omar? Amazing, eh? So now to the nightlife of Vancouver. We're gonna see what we're gonna do and hang out for a little while, and then we're gonna go home. And now I'm actually just editing the video and I'm gonna upload it, so don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video vlog very soon. So just stay tuned. We're gonna sleep and tomorrow we have a big day.